Record again. All right, so this is given, you're given the graph of f prime. They're asking about f prime of 4 and f of 4. Okay, let's take a look. F prime of 4. Okay, this time it's at 0, so this is a little tricky. Okay, it's at 0, so it's tricky. But you go ahead and type that in. F prime of 4 is definitely 0. Now here's where it's interesting, okay? If f prime of 4 is 0, then that goes on your first derivative chart. Then you have to check the signs on both sides of 4. On the left side of 4 is negative. On the right side is positive. You see that? So it goes from negative to positive. So that's the third one. I saw the third part right here. Okay. The feature is that, well, if we're just talking about the graph and how it's going up and down like a roller coaster, f prime of 4 is on its way up, isn't it? So you'll see that's increasing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the thing. F of 4 is so impossible to know. It's always going to be. Feature. Oh, by the way, just a quick review. It's impossible to know because you're missing two things. You don't know how to take the integral, and you don't know initial value. That's what's missing. Okay. The feature is going to be tricky though. The feature, okay, because this time we made a first derivative chart, right? At x equals 4, and the sign changes from negative to positive, right? That only happens for f of 4 when f of 4 is what? What kind of value is this if the sign changes like this?
Minimum?
Yeah. Okay. And that's it. I hope. Yes. Okay. Do I? Let's see like there's another one. I'll do one more because that video was kind of short. Okay, one more. Last one. F prime through x equals -2. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. It looks like f prime of -2. The actual value is going to be 3. So take a look. It's positive 3, right? Feature. Okay, this is talking about how it moves up and down. Increasing or decreasing, it decreases, right? Through -2. Sign change, no sign change. It still remains positive. You see that?
Yeah.
It's, around -2 is still above the x-axis. No sign change. It's positive, positive, right? Value, again, impossible to know. The feature is because there's no sign change, then this is just going to be increasing because f prime -2 is positive, right? Okay. That's it.
Dang.
So that's an easier one. So I think the hardest one is when like they're asking about a 0. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop recording now.